Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Tuscan Garden large pitted olives. This is just the no artificial flavors, grade A California, right? But it just says per 4 olive serving. So every 4 olives of these guys. Calories are 25, sodium is 115 milligram, sugars are 0, saturated fat is 0, and then the weight is 6 ounces, 170 g. And then moving over to the fun part, the nutrition facts. And yeah, so getting started on these pitted olives. And for anybody who doesn't know what like large pitted olives are, obviously they're black, but these don't have the insides like how olives usually have like the inside part. These actually don't. I'm sorry guys, I just don't want the can to run away, but these olives actually don't have the inside to them. But I know everybody, like I literally know more people that hate olives than I do people who like olives. But growing up, my dad just super loved olives. Like he literally ate them with his salad, he ate them on his pizza. There's this thing called Gardenera, if anybody's familiar with it, and my parents was in love with that stuff. So I really hold this to be true, that like if your parent likes something growing up, just by always having it around, like you'll come to like it too. And so I did find that true too, because growing up, I think that none of my friends really liked olives, but I would always be the one to say like, oh, I want olives on my pizza, and everybody look at me like, we're not sharing a pizza with you. And even Gardenera, I find myself liking that too, and I solely think that's because of my parents. But yeah, I super love olives, and one thing that I've came to love with as my palate has matured is Greek salad. So for anybody who does not know what Greek salad is, it's just like salad. They put like feta, jalapenos, onions, or not jalapenos, peppers, onions, and then these black olives, and it's super good, very good. I suggest you guys trying it. Also too, like the pasta salad, black olives go in there too. And so I just extremely love both of those things, but I have a problem with eating ingredients out of the can, and please don't call me nasty, but these are one of the things that I love eating out of the cans. I love the way black olives taste. I think they taste so good, and these are just the big ones, so it's very easy for me to eat. Although I do love putting them in my Greek salad and all of that, and my pasta salad. I love throwing these in pizza. I'll make omelets with them. I think they taste so good. I hate like the stigma around olives. Like I feel like people treat olives so bad, which is kind of sucky because I super love them. But yeah, but just getting to the brand and how I heard of it, I've actually been a fan of Tuscan Garden since I've been in high school. They don't only make olives, they make other things, and I had tried some of their other products out, and I was just like, you know what, like their olives have to be good, because the brand overall was good to me. So yeah, the only thing guys that I have a couple cons, but the only thing that like is like a super extremely super con to me is that the olive juice that it's kind of in, it tastes like a little, like just a little sour to me. Like, and I'm familiar with olive juice, it's just this one tastes like a little, it's a little more potent than a lot of other olive juices. And when I eat olives, I don't drink the juice guys, so I'm not an olive juice drinker, but I do like it to have a little like wetness to them, so they're not dry. Yeah, but like I was saying, like I don't eat like soaking wet olives, but I like them to be a little like moist, and just the juice to me is like very very potent. When I eat these with my omelets, I just dry them all the way, just because I used to like leave them a little wet. But with an egg, like if you don't cook your egg like hard, and I don't like my eggs like super hard, the juices are gonna run in them, and I could taste like the olive juice in the egg, and it would just make it really nasty. And just with other things too, I know you guys are probably gonna think this is weird, but I put olives in my spaghetti. I think it tastes good. And just with the olive juice in my spaghetti, like, it's honestly so extremely nasty to me. Like, it just tastes so bad and I literally cannot. So yeah, those are like my cons. Another con that I do have too, guys, is sometimes the olive is so big, so when you open them, they tend to be like broken apart a little bit, which isn't really a con. It depends on what you're using the olives for, but I like my olives to be whole when I'm putting them in my salad, and sometimes they do not end up whole. But for the most part, these olives are like very good. I love the brand, like I've stated multiple times. I think the olives taste really, really good. Yeah, like aside from the couple things that I said, I really don't have any cons. There's a lot of more upsides than there are cons. This brand is really, really good, guys. If you guys decide to get the olives, you should check out the other products that this brand has. And actually, this can, another pro, this can has a lot of olives in it. So yeah, you're getting your money's worth. It's not expensive. But like I said before, guys, this is just Tuscan Garden large pitted olives. No artificial flavors. Grade A California, right? And yeah.